stickers that are on there in my hair. Now she's putting a bottle.
Oh my god, that looks like you have a big burner.
Right now. And I got some stuff that for the future. If I ever live with you, get away from me. If I ever live with you, I have a Chinese candle thing. It looks like a lamp, but it's a candle. I got some
oh my god.
Huh? Huh?
Look, oh god, sideways.
And I got huh? And I got okay. Stop it right now.
She looking run off.
Freaking serious. Freaking serious.
You look like Charlie Sheen off of Scary Movie. When you took that pill and you had that big bone.
There's a booger right there.
Hello? Stop sniffing my hair. Hello? Hello? Stop putting my hair in your freaking mouth.